In today's class, I will explain you how to rotate a borders for login page. See here, this is the way we can design a login page with border rotations. Then many developers has been design a login page with border rotation. I will explain you in a simple way to rotate the borders for login page. Then I will show you the code how to rotate the borders of a login page in simple way. Then see here, this is this is the HTML page, the animated content. Okay, this is another division. This division is only for the text message has to be displayed before the form and meta login form. Then div class equal to box. See here h1 login. The input type equal text. It must be required. The placeholder called username. The input type equal password. The required the placeholder equal password. Then have to given the submit button. If you are new user, then click on sign up. Okay, this is HTML code has been written. Then what is the corresponding code written over here? Then see here, this is star means which is applicable to all the elements of the body. The padding should be 0 pixel, margin also be 0 pixel. The box sizing it like a border box. If you're not given, because by default some space will be appears for the bottom and left. Then the font family. Then if you want to use any font family, you can use over here. Then body display flex because all items has to be displayed in the column wise and row wise. Then you can use the display flex. It is better than the float property. The all items, align items should be at center. The justify content also be center. Then background color should be what is called the color has been given. See, once you run it, then what is the output you see here? Because I did not add any such CSS code for this one. Just a background have been added. The form has been designed by using the HTML. Here, how it has to be displayed. There is no rotating the borders. The form has not been displayed in properly. Then I would like to add the CSS code for this form. Then how it will be shown because see. Then I will explain you each and every property in one by one because it has been complete. The box means it is a because what is the box over there? Because box means it is nothing but a login division. Okay, the this is division for the form. Okay, then what is the width and what is the height has to be given for this border. Check it once. The position should be relative. If you give the position should be relative, the because the left, top, right, then the properties will work out. Otherwise, it doesn't work out. Then flex direction is column. Then how it has to be displayed like it is a column wise. That's why I given this one. If you want to row wise, you can flex direction row. The margin top, the margin top should be 80 pixel. Okay, anyway, I will then align item should be center. Justify content should because whenever you that box should be displayed at the center in your window. Okay, because it will work in all the devices. Then background color should be this one. Then see here, background, what is the background color? It should be white. Then once save it, then comes here. This spot is called as what? Margin top. The spot is called as margin top. Okay, then because this box as aligned at the center in your window, that's why align items, the justify content property has been used. Then see here, background color is white. See here, this is the background color should be white because if I remove the remaining things, we can easily understand. Then I would like to remove these properties. If I write it one by one, it takes time. That's why before the video, I written those properties. See, then I because the how it will be displayed. Okay, this I because I added these styles to the only what is called form. But how it is being displayed, it is not displayed in proper manner. Okay, this is why what is the background color should be white, the margin top should be what is called how many pixels has been given, then 80 pixels because border overflow is hidden, border radius should be 20 pixels. See all the corners should be rounded by 20 pixels. You can see over here. See, this is called as what is called box because I have class equal to box one division. Then when it comes to the next, control Z as then I will move on to the next property. Then see, yeah, h1 element because h1 element is what this one. Okay, this one is called as h1 element where it has aligned properly. Then margin top that minus 30 pixels, it moves towards to the top. That's why minus 30 pixels. The margin bottom 50 pixels. Okay, if I remove this one, the outer form has to be shown. Let's see. Okay, I will remove enter the element. See, I did not add any styles to the H1 element because here it is displayed like this. Then how it has been displayed. That's why I used the margin top minus 30 pixel, margin border 50 pixel. Input colon required because which is applicable to the where the required attribute will be there in the form. Okay, because here it is applicable these two fields. Then I would like to check it once. The padding should be 15 pixels. The border radius should be 20 pixels. Then if I remove it, how it will be displayed? You can check it once. Oh, sorry, I would like to remove entire the code. Then check it once. See here, this is the way it can be displayed because no padding has been given. Okay, then it is not looking good. That's why I added some, because outline means zero. Outline means these the borders. Okay, outline border should be zero. Then all the border of that text field should be 0 pixels. That's why there is no such borders has been displayed for username and password. Okay, the username and password which are the placeholder of the text field and password field. Then input h1 comma span z index. What z index? If the hierarchy items are there, which item will be displayed on the top of the hierarchy, then that is called as the z index has to be displayed. The input h1 then span tag, then they are because h1 because h1 then input, these are input h1, this is the submit button and span. Okay, these are items. If I not given what is happening, we will see. Then control s, how it is displayed. Okay, nothing farm items has to be displayed. Okay, then that's why the z index, because that preference has been given. Then if you want to more, then you can ask me at any time. Input type equal submit. The input type equal submit, it is applicable to only submit button. Okay, then see here, then what is the CSS code has been added? Submit button width, height, border radius, then border, then font weight, bold, font size, letter spacing is 1 pixels. Okay, then font weight, okay, bold has been given 2 times, comes to here. I remove one of the property, then save it, then comes to here. This is the border submit button. Okay, then width, height, okay, everything has been given. Font weight, bold. See, border 1 pixel. If you want to increase the 2 pixels, then how it will be shown? See here, because it has to be displayed border 2 pixels. Okay, then because color has been given height, if you want to give another color, then you can easily see. Yeah, how do we? This is the color, border color has been given. Okay, based on your application, which color it is you interested, you can use it, but you should use the only professional colors. Don't use much dark colors for designing any such web page. It's not looking good. Okay, you should use the only professional colors. Then because then light color has to be used for this one. Then this is the submit button when it comes next. Then box before and after, then two pseudo elements has been used over there. Then position is absolute. If position is absolute, if any element to be overridden, then you should use the position should be absolute. Okay, otherwise it is not possible to override the elements. Okay, then display should be black, content nothing content to be added. Then width 100 pixels, then height is also 100 pixels. Then border image linear gradient it has to be used. Then if you want to use any color has to be used over there. Linear gradient it is used to use the multiple colors. Okay, then top to the bottom, then this color has been used. Then border radius has 20 pixels. Then here animation to be added. Okay, then see this one. Okay, before just we added the animations, the colors. Okay, then see, I would like to remove after everything. Okay, see, sorry to say, just I would like to remove the some of the content. Okay, see, animations has been added. Okay, I would like to remove the. Okay, see, after also I will like to remove it. Okay, see, the animation demo 4 seconds linear infinity, then 0 0% transform rotate 0 degree to 360 degrees. Okay, this animation has to be added to use the transform property. See how it has to be shown. See how it has to be shown. Okay, this is the width height. Before width height I have given, the colors also be given. It is rotating. Then how it has to be hidden? Then you should use the after. Okay, you should use the after pseudo element. Okay, see, then once it has been used, see how it will be displayed. Okay, then I remove the some of the things after it has been used. Then position should be absolute, content inset. Okay, this is called inset 7 pixel. Okay, if you remove it, if you want to increase it, you can also increase. See here the inset. Okay, inside width has to be increased. Now how it is has to be shown, you can check it once. Okay, then this is the way you can rotate the borders using simple CSS code. Okay, many developer has been written have been gone through many of the what is called border rotations, they are used the complex code. Okay. Then after that, this is the what is the board? This is the border background color should be this one. Okay, this is the background color. Okay. Then border radius has to be 16 pixel and inset has to be used over here. The border also be used. Then the next code is also be added. I would like to add the next code. Then I comes to where I left out. Okay. Then here I would like to use 10 pixels inside. Okay. Then okay, it's good because see. Then I will come to the next span margin top 20 pixels. Okay, where the span has been used for here. Okay, where I use span has been used for this one. Okay, that's why it has because if you are new user sign up. Okay, if you are aligned proper way, that's why I use this one. Margin top 20, it comes down. Text decoration none. It is remove the underline. Then letter spacing between the how much space is required between the one letter to the another letter. Okay, then because it is no use because I removed it. Then content, then dot content, what is the class? Because see here, this is called the where I used it. Okay, this division, the class is called content element login form. How it has to be shown here. Okay, this one. Then I checked once, comes down. Then width should be to 720 pixels. The position should be absolute. The text align. Okay, doesn't work. No use. Okay, anyway, after that, top 20 pixels because it moves towards to the down by 20 pixels. Okay, then HT element, it is called HT element. Okay, what are the CSS code has been used? Then font size 20 pixels, then position is also up by default is a static. Okay, doesn't require animation, the animation name, animation should be complete duration, then animation should be linear, animation mode should be linear, it should be infinite. Okay, because there is no end, a number of times it will be rotated, the animation will be done, duration is 20 seconds, color should be white. Okay, the color of the text should be white, the another color is, this is for only shading, shadow of the text. Okay, see, you can easily observe that shadow text has been displayed over there. If you want to increase, okay, you can also increase the sizes, then it will also be increased. So this is for the only text shadow. The animation, okay, because the animation is applicable to the text. The transform property scale at 0% is scale 1. 1 means 100% of the text. Then when it comes to the 50, it has to be increased by 40 percentage. Okay, now 140 percentage. Zoom out. Okay, see here, then zoom out, then zoom in. When 100% comes, then again it comes to the original page that is called as 1. Okay, 1 means 100 percentage. Here first at 0 percentage, the 100 percentage zoom, then when it comes to the 50 percentage, 140 percentage, then again when it comes to the 100 percentage, again it comes to the same position, came to the same position. Okay, then here this is the CSS code has been used to design the login page with border rotation. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this code, please ask me at any time. Okay, thank you all for watching my videos.